What's going on? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth. If you're watching this channel, that means you really want to learn how to play R&B, neo soul, or gospel. So today, I'm going to dive into one song that was highly requested a while back, but I had so many things on my plate. But now I'm revisiting this song. This song is Just As Sure by Tori Kelly. It's the live version featuring Jonathan McReynolds. I was fortunate enough to be asked to play on the live version. I did not play on the actual recording, but the live version. If you go on YouTube and you're looking up Tori Kelly's Just As Sure live, you'll see me playing an acoustic guitar. So we're just going to talk about the first half of the song, the first part. That's what we're going to talk about today, because I had a lot of people inboxing me, yo bro, can you do this? Can you do this? So today's the day. All right, so let's take a listen to the song, and then we'll go in and we'll break it down. Here we go. All right, cool. So that's what I want to talk about. We're just going to stop at that part right there. So this song is in the key of B flat. So if you're not that well versed with your numbers, I highly encourage you to go check out some of the courses that I have on Kerry's Camp, talking about the number system, because it'll definitely make things a lot more simple for you, so that you can be able to play to your full potential on guitar. So it's in B flat. So we're going to start on that 1. So 1, 2, 3. 4, 3. We're gonna go to that 7, 6, 3, 4. Now I'm just using 2 strings, that B string and the E string. That run is not necessarily in there, but I like that run. We're done. That A, it's almost like an A minor 11 shape. We're raising that one note on the B string. Cool. So now we worked out through that first part of the song, so let's play it a little bit further. It's gonna go back around. We're gonna play it again. So that right. All right, cool. Let's play through that part, and I'll talk you through that part. So let me back it up just a little bit. Right here. 3, 2, 1. All right, so that whole section done. So 4, 3, 3. So 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 6. Flat 5, 5. I'm going to chromatic down. Do, do, do. So let's back it up and play along with it. Here we go. So doing that F, then to that G, back to the 1. That run. Now again, you don't have to play with the pick or play with your fingers. For this particular song, I did use my hands, my fingers for this particular song, just because it made it more easier for me to kind of facilitate. But if you play with the pick, it's fine. Just use a pick. Again, break it down section by section. Again, I'm not going through the whole entire song. I'm just playing a couple sections, so which I just did. Again, the song is in B flat. I talk through the numbers. If you're not that well versed in the number system, check out my camp, kerryscamp.com. I would love for you to be a part and definitely help you guys grow and learn how to play guitar more fluid, especially on acoustic, electric, anything that you want. I got you. To get more help with your guitar journeys, watch these videos.